Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best miter saw stand that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt DWX726 rolling miter saw stand. Thanks to wide rubber wheels and simple folding design, this durable work support stand from DeWalt is a great choice for job site mobility. The DeWalt DWX726 has been designed for an extensive variety of contractors, including framers, carpenters and installers, although they are suitable for anyone tasked with using a miter saw on site or in the workshop. With a 3-position pneumatically assisted raising and lowering construction, you can easily assemble or minimize the unit, perfect for when you're moving around with all your tools. Pair the movability with 300-pound weight capacity, easily adjustable mounting rails, a support that can hold up to 8 feet of materials. You'll see why this is our top choice. What's more, the stand only weighs 67 pounds, collapsing to just 59.5 by 17 inches, ideal for those short on space. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bora Portamate PM4 miter saw work stand. The Bora Portamate PM4 offers a practical and hassle-free stand for contractor-size saws that can be easily maneuvered from site to site. Carefully constructed from tubular steel, this durable yet surprisingly lightweight saw stand is able to support up to 500 pounds of weight. Weighing just 30 pounds and folding down to 43 by 20 inches, this easy setup saw stand is a great addition to your collection of tools. Simply fold out the legs from the center portion and secure your stand with the pins that snap into position before you use your miter saw with ease and the ultimate safety. The stand is 36 inches in height, an ideal working height for both safety and efficiency. Finally, you can upgrade your stand as needed with the numerous additions offered by Bora Portamate that can make your time on site or in the workshop even easier. Make sure you also check our guide to the best track saws. At number 3, we have the Bosch Portable Gravity Rise Wheeled Miter Saw Stand T4B. It might be a little pricey, but this Bosch Portable Miter Saw stand is worth parting with the cash if your budget allows it. Bosch benchtop tools are designed and crafted to provide the precision and performance that your projects require, no matter how big or small. With that said, saw stand from Bosch is one of the best options for those big projects that require a little extra support. The integrated outfeed can support up to 18 feet of material, with the universal mounting system allowing for use with all major competitors' saws. With durable wheels, a telescoping leveling leg for additional stability on uneven surfaces and a compact collapsing frame, you'll be good to go on any site with this stand. Our handy guide to the best scroll saws features more great products like this. At number 2, we have the Wen MSA330 collapsible rolling miter saw stand. Adequately support both your miter saw and your workpiece thanks to the Wen collapsible rolling saw stand. Crafted to offer a sturdy and reliable system, this affordable stand will support all of your sawing needs. Utilize 3 pre-mounted, 120 volts outlets offering you 15 amps of power, to meet the needs of saws of all sizes. Thanks to 2 8-inch never-flat wheels and handy foldable design, you can rest assured that you can transport your stand safely and securely at all times. The slider arms can extend anywhere from 32 to 79 inches in width, holding up to 330 pounds so you can craft a masterpiece of various sizes. Furthermore, you can adjust the height of your stand, for improved comfort and safety on or off-site. Collapsing to just 80 by 40 inches and weighing in at just 38 pounds, this is one of the lightest saw stands featured in our review, great for those often on the move. As if that isn't enough, it also comes back with a 2-year warranty for additional peace of mind. Love this product? Check out our review of the best tile saws for our top picks. And finally at number 1, we have the Ryobi miter saw stand. Ryobi is an established and trusted brand, and this stand offers the quality you would expect from the name, at a budget-friendly price. The quick-release mounting brackets mean you can get your saw up and running in no time and quickly dismantle the setup when done. This stand fits Ryobi miter saws but is also compatible with a broad variety of other brands' saws, as well.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.